I don't know what I was thinking when I came out to check on my house. I thought since I saw the lines that I was safe, but when I pulled up to my house, I almost got in the tailpipe. So I know if it gets in the tailpipe, that's my house right there. I think so far it's good, but as you can see, it's not looking good here in Galveston now. I just hope I can make it home. It's not going to stop. These cars are smart. I'm parking up in the yard. Weren't quite as smart. I just gotta make it home. Talking about smart, I can't believe I came out here. Now you can barely see the lines in the middle. I'm definitely staying on the seawall or at my house. No more venturing over here.